what is the H group or the heading group? The purpose of the H group, which is one of the new HTML5 elements, okay, is to group together a set of one or more H1 through H6 elements. So it can be H1 and H2, it can be two or more heading elements, so that they are treated as one single heading. For example, the H group element could be used to contain both the title inside an H2 element and a subtitle within an H3 element. This element has had a mixed reception. When it was first proposed by the people developing the HTML5, there were some complaints and it was withdrawn from HTML5 proposals. However, some people changed their mind and it has been added back into the HTML5. Some suggest that it is of a little use other than as a styling hook. It has, however, been popular with developers who tend to find it very useful, and they group together primary heading and subheadings. Now this is how the H group is used, okay, in HTML5. You see, the H2 and the H3 headings have been grouped together as one particular heading. Now figures. You saw figures in my earlier example, okay. So it is important to also note that the article should still make sense if the content of the element were moved, okay. For this reason, it should only be used when the content simply references the element. Examples of usage include images. So in the figure above, the one we did earlier, the example I showed you, you see images was used frequently in figures under the section. And then videos can be graphs or diagrams, okay. It can also be text that support the main body of an article. The figure element should also contain the fig caption, okay. The fig caption element provides a text description of the content, just like the alt used together with what, the image element, okay. I'm going to show you an example of the figure element that was added within an article.